Let us do the heavy lifting for you in creating your own backyard farming system. Our experts will start by analyzing your diet and determining the best way to deliver nutrient-rich food to you and your family. We'll then assess your property, taking into account its size, terrain, and sun direction to determine the best placement for features like raised beds, chicken coops, and outdoor showers. We help you skip the hard steps and expensive learning curves of redoing, tuning, and adjusting your system with decades of experience with high-end horticulture. We want to minimize the amount of effort that you're putting into your backyard farming system. Our automated drip systems will ensure consistent organic nutrition for your crops, while our IPM station makes pest and disease control simple and fast. When it's time to harvest your fruits and vegetables, rinse off in the outdoor shower and enjoy cooking or sharing your nutrient-dense harvest with friends, family, and neighbors. Say goodbye to grocery store bought food. Experience the difference of homegrown, nutrient-dense food with amazing and mind-blowing flavor profiles. Contact us today to see how we can customize a backyard farming system for you and your family's needs.